Hello everyone, I'm Neha Bakshi Kaushal. I'm an entrepreneur and director of the Idea Box. At the Idea Box, we use the medium of theatre to harness the existing faculties possessed by all, leading to fully developed personalities. We provide global standard theatre modules for leading schools, corporates, NGOs, and other organizations. I'm also an internationally certified image coach, and I've worked across the board with members of organizations like Fortis, Tata Consultancy Services, Canadian Consulate, among others. This is a series on personality development. In the last video, we talked about a vital element of personality development, that is, verbal communication. I sincerely hope you're using all those techniques. Today, we're going to talk about body language. What is it? Body language is a type of non-verbal communication in which physical behaviors, as opposed to words, are used to express or convey information. Now, such behavior includes facial expressions, body posture, gestures, eye movement, touch, and the use of space. So, why do we need to study body language? Well, the answer is simple. Research has found that almost 50% of all communication happens visually. That is, through your gestures, the way you walk, the confidence you exude. Imagine 50%, yet it is widely ignored. Remember, children, the most important thing in communication is hearing what isn't said. And you know what the fun part is? We are all natural body language readers. So you don't believe me? Well, you do it all the time. Just by looking at your mother's body language, you know it, if you're in trouble or not, isn't it? So how can we apply this to our life? A student of personal excellence knows that to maximize one's potential, understanding body language can go a long, long way. Let me give you a simple scenario and you judge. Let's have two candidates in a room. Now both are equally qualified. One sits with poor posture, jittery hand movements, poor eye contact, stooped shoulders, while the other sits straight with a warm, genuine smile. Shoulders are relaxed, palms are open, exuding confidence. Whom are you going to trust? The answer is obvious, isn't it? Children, your qualifications matter a great deal, but these skills can be game changers. They give you that extra edge. Understanding positive body language and how to use it can make all the difference in your life. So let's do this together. But to do this, first we need to understand some basics. Positive and negative body language. So what does negative body language look like? Tucking your hands into your pockets, not because you're cold, but because you're nervous. Moving from side to side, putting all your weight on one leg, minimal or no eye contact, constant fidgeting, stooped shoulders. Well, these are just some examples. This kind of body language gives the following messages: fear, nervousness, and anxiety. Now don't worry, all of us do this. The idea is to work on these little things that make a huge difference. Now let's see what positive body language looks like. Palms open, feet apart, back straight, using your hands to express. Movements are relaxed, yet they carry authority. Strong eye contact. This kind of body language conveys confidence, self-belief, and comfort. I'm often asked how to go about making eye contact. Well, here's a quick tip. Follow the 80-20 rule. Maintain eye contact for 80% of the time, and 20% of the time you can break it so that you don't feel uncomfortable. Now that you know the basics, let's begin with our projects. Project 1. Mirror, mirror on the wall. A great place to start understanding body language is to do a self-audit. How? Well, it's simple. Stand in front of a mirror and observe your natural body language. Make notes. Do you stand tall or are your shoulders stooped? Do you make strong positive eye contact? What do you do with your hands when you're talking? Do you constantly move side to side while speaking? Be honest. You can take this up a notch by asking a family member to randomly record you throughout the day. Study those video clips, make your notes, and be conscious of what your body language conveys. Done over a period of time, this simple activity can make a huge impact without making this process stressful. Remember to reward yourself for all the positive changes you make over time. You deserve it. Project 2. Bring out your inner Sherlock Holmes. Sounds fun, doesn't it? Well, don your detective hat and let's begin. Watch a short video clip of any character and identify all the body language gestures that help define the character's personality. Keep a little diary for your observations. To take it up a notch, consider watching the video clip first without sound and identify what you think is being communicated. Afterwards, watch the video clip with sound and analyze your notes. So what do you think, Sherlock Holmes? You can observe people around you and try to interpret their mood just by observing their body language. But remember, children, the idea is to be a student of body language and not make people uncomfortable. The above 2 projects that I created for you are just 2 of the numerous ways we can work on this subject. Time and space don't really allow me to touch upon everything here, but this can get you started on the journey. Children, these simple steps have the power to make a huge difference in your life. Use these simple techniques. Small changes lead to big improvements. The Japanese have a philosophy that they apply to all facets of life. It's called Kaizen, continuous improvement, and I think it's a wonderful way to live. Remember, the goal is not to be better than the other, but your own previous self. So start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Remember, children, I could have, I should have are the saddest words. Use this time, use this knowledge. I will leave you with this wonderful quote by Steve Maraboli. Incredible change happens in your life when you decide to take control of what you do have power over instead of craving control over what you don't. For more such content, you can log on to our website www.theideaboxco.in. I will see you very soon with another such video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless.